There may be times when you need to make a change to a large number of database records. In this lesson, we'll show you how to use the Dragonfly bulk editing tool to achieve this. The need for the bulk editing tool may not arise often, but when it does, it can be a big time saver. We'll look at a real-life example. Let's say that one of your vendors has announced a 5% cost increase for every product they sell. If that vendor sold hundreds of different products in your store, it would take hours to edit the costs one at a time. But we can make this change quickly using the bulk editing tool. The vendor's cost for products is stored with the vendor products data, so we'll open that form. We'll choose a vendor with a large number of products. You can see that we have nearly 3,000 records to edit. When we click the Bulk Edit button, we're notified that if we proceed, we'll be editing the 2,781 products for this vendor. We want to change the cost value for the products, so we select Current Cost from the Field to Change drop-down list. Next, we enter 5 in the New Values field because we want to apply a 5% increase to the current values. Finally, we select Increase by Percent from the Operation drop-down. Because this is a numerical value, we also have options to decrease the values by the specified value, or increase or decrease the current values by the entered value, or just replace the current values with the entered value. If we were editing a text type attribute, the operation choices are different. We'll add a prefix to the vendor part number so you can see how this works. The operation can be set to replace the current values or append text before or after the current values. Let's use the Append Before option. Next, we click the Apply button, and once again we're notified about how many records we'll be changing. We'll click OK to proceed. The changes are applied to all records that we currently have loaded. As we scroll through the vendor products now, we see that the current cost numbers have been increased, and the vendor part numbers now have a new prefix. If we are satisfied with the changes that have been made, we can save the changes to the database. The bulk editing option is also available on the Products form, the Customers form, and all of the data browsing grids.